iLite with iLite.
We have been working with iLite for over a year, and I would say that it's actually very instrumental in our whole journey of creating like new sugar alternatives as well. Working with iLite has been wonderful, exceptional. It helps to actually smoothen the process. Especially Yesen, he has been actually very helpful in the whole process to actually introduce us like what is the right product we should be using, and giving us alternatives as well, including like assisting us with the grading of all our beverages as well. So operationally and product-wise, he was actually very helpful in the whole process. iLite products are exceptional in terms of taste as well. We've actually done a lot of rounds of trials with regards to alternative sugars. We've set on iLite at the end of the day because that is the sugar alternative that makes us actually feel that we are not having any sugar alternative. It's actually just normal sugar. It tastes very natural, so it doesn't actually jumbles up with our tea taste too much. So I think that's actually very crucial for us.
Go light with iLite.